Hello everyone, welcome to another video of ours. Today we are at Millerton Lake doing the Pincushion Trail. We've never done this trail, we've never been here. Sad to say, I've never been to Millerton Lake. I've been here for over 20 years, so in this area. I'm gonna try to knock out this 2.8 mile. Elevation gain is almost 1,000 feet. I think it's 982 on all trails. Let's see how this trail treats us. All right, let's go. I have a feeling it's gonna be pretty hard because it says moderate, but I don't know.
We'll see. It's actually already what do you call this one?
Already elevated.
Elevated.
Yeah, right from the get-go.
No. And we saw the map earlier. It's no flat area. It's just straight up. So.
But the best thing about that is when you're coming back down. It's downhill. It's currently 7:17. So we'll see how long it takes us.
Oh my god, I'm already out of breath. Okay, let's go. Thank you, babe. Good morning.
Hello, Alvin.
Hello, buddy. The views from the trail are amazing.
Good morning.
Am I in the shot?
Yeah, you're on YouTube, dude.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Come with Pincushion. Enjoy. Have a good one.
All right, so as you continue on the trail, you're going to come to a split. The guy from the fire department told us that if you go to the right, it's harder. He didn't say if it's short or not, but I'm pretty sure it's shorter. And then if you go to the left, it's the easy route. So we're going to tackle the hard route and see how hard it is. See if we can make it.
Yes.
All right, so the hard route.
Excuse my breathing, guys.
The hard route is pretty steep.
Yeah, you can see it from here. Look, it doesn't look steep from here. Okay, I'll straight up the camera. That's how steep it is.
So it is pretty steep though if you go to the right. So you'll get your heart rate up if that's what you're trying to do. Yeah.
Okay, this is the GoPro being straight.
Yeah.
It is how steep it is. It's actually a fun trail though. It's definitely a cardio
It's probably the steepest
climb we've had.
climb we've done without stairs.
Exactly. Because the pinnacles have stairs.
Yeah.
The views are amazing though, so
Yeah.
it's definitely worth it.
The higher we go up.
Okay, I guess. Let's go. Oh, okay. So I knew it. It doesn't look too high in the video, but it's very high. Like, can you guys see the people there? They're very tiny. Look.
Look like ants almost.
Uh-huh.
But yeah. So that's the last section to get to the actual peak.
I guess we're gonna try to finish this.
Let's go.
Let's go.
We can do this.
We're taking a little breather under the shade.
Under the only shade tree in this whole area.
The San Joaquin River there. It's beautiful.
It's actually, it doesn't feel too bad right now.
Mm-hmm.
Nice breeze.
I just nice breeze. It's really nice. Dang, it's so peaceful. Does this remind you of Pinnacles?
Yeah,
A little bit?
a little bit.
I keep telling this last hooray, but this is, I guess this is the last one.
The good news is the view keeps getting better and better.
Yeah.
The higher we keep going up.
Look at that.
Someone's having some fun down there.
I want to soak in the river.
I want to be in that water.
I want to be banana boating there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You know?
Yeah. All right.
Banana boat is funner now.
I know. We should.
But banana split should taste better.
How about A&W root beer float?
Let's go. After, I think our reward after the hike.
And then we have to hike to burn that off.
Okay. Oh jeez. Finally.
We did it!
We did it! Amazing.
We're almost at the very top. There's some people taking pictures, so
We have to
we're
wait.
gonna give them some time.
You know what's amazing? We can actually say that we really gained the views.
Yes.
It's worth it though.
We didn't take the easy route either, so. It's rewarding. The view is rewarding.
It's rewarding, huh?
Sure is. It's cool because you see the junction between Millerton Lake and San Joaquin Valley, or San Joaquin River.
Wow.
Oh wow.
Whoa. That's the lake.
Yeah, now that is the actual lake.
That's amazing. Wow, wow.
Ooh, check this out. Now we have the well, for now we have the peak to ourselves.
Yep. Jeez, this is so pretty.
So I guess there's. Oh, you know what? They're probably taking the trail that I actually downloaded, the south end one.
Oh, really? It's really amazing. I didn't know about this trail until one of our subscribers mentioned about this, and we're like, okay, I think we're gonna check it out. Yeah, it's really worth it.
So right now it's great. We have the peak to ourselves. The breeze is nice. Got the view of the San Joaquin River and Millerton Lake.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see
Oh, they're back.
I know, they're coming back.
These guys are like, has been like chasing each other since earlier. They're having so much fun. I'm jealous right now. Take me with you guys, come on.
All right, so we got the bright idea to like run down the hill because it seems like it's actually easier. The only problem is it's kind of hard to stop or slow down.
He keeps laughing. I keep laughing the whole time.
I keep laughing because it's like I'm just like running down the hill.
Look at your face, so red.
Yeah, it's starting to get hot now. I think now it's starting to get to like that 97-degree temperature. All right, so that is the Pincushion Trail. It's not that long. It's only 1.2 miles. It is probably the steepest trail that we've done without steps or stairs, you know, the little granite rocks or whatever. So that part might be kind of difficult for some. And it's actually, it felt like it was harder going down than it was going up, especially on your knees. So if you wear knee braces, wear those. It is a nice trail. It's a rewarding trail. Once you get up there, the view is amazing.
It's like you really gain the views from the top because you work so hard for it to just make it all the way to the top.
And I really hope the footage does do justice. But like always, it doesn't really show the true beauty until you're there.
It's really, really beautiful.
So it's worth the hike. It's worth the climb. If we can do it, anyone can do it. I got a couple of notes. Number one, get here as early as possible because there is zero like shade. Like you can hardly find any shade on this trail. Number two, watch out for rattlesnakes. There's signs all over the place, and there's a reason why. There's a lot of rattlesnakes in this area. Number three, make sure you bring plenty of water. It does get hot, especially if you come later in the day. And number four, come here early. That's definitely a very good note. Come here early. Really early, nice and cool. You can park along the street, which is what we did. But if you want to park closer to the trailhead, you can between hours of 8 a.m. and 8 p.m., which will cost you $10. But it's actually pretty nice over there. They got picnic tables. It looks like a place where you can barbecue some food and restrooms. So, and there's like a little boat launch area there. I don't know what kind of boat launch, but there's not really anything to bring there. With that being said, we're gonna head home. Thank you for watching. And as always, take care and God bless.
Thank you guys.
Let's go. All right, one more note that I forgot to mention is bring shoes with grip. It is a dirt terrain and it is slippery, especially going down. So loose gravel, loose dirt, bring shoes with grip. There's a lot of people who slipped and fall going down. So yeah, just be mindful of that. So that's the last note that I forgot to tell you about. Okay, let's go home now.